doing, guys? So we've got this S5 in today. We're going to do a nice P3 install, which we're very excited about. All the better as it's my own S5, so I'm very excited. Finally own a car that can take a P3 gauge. So why are we installing it? One, it looks fantastic. It's going to be going into the air vent. You'll see it. We'll show you the install. It looks so good. Next, you know, there's so many things it can do. It can read coolant. It can read 0 to 60, 0 to 100. It can read pretty much everything. It plugs into your OBD. It's very simple, and it reads everything that I need to do. It gives me things like lap time, shift lights. The shift ups I'm very keen on. I find with the S5 that I do struggle to see what gear I'm in or when I should be changing. Even though it's an auto, it's when I'm in manual mode, you know, it does need it. So I'm very excited to see how that goes. But yeah, so I thought we would do an install, go through with what you get, how it looks, and what you can do at the end, and maybe we can see what the S5 does 0 to 60 at the end of it. Nice one. Cheers. So I thought we'd show you what we've got inside the box here. Inside there is the actual P3 screen. I'm not going to open it because they're so well wrapped. I don't want to ruin it just yet. And then it comes with a control box, again really well sealed, protected, and ready for use. And then the OBD cable, as we just mentioned, and that's it. To be fair, nice 3 cables. Oh, and an awesome little sticker we can use.